With Ether toward the beginning of 2023 worth just 33% of its worth contrasted and the beginning of 2022, the eyes of devotees might be fixed the latest Ethereum blockchain overhaul, which showed up on the 12th of April 2023 after the rollercoaster of a ride ETH in every way that really matters happened over the most recent couple of long stretches of 2022. A hotly anticipated move by Ethereum from a proof-of-work to a proof-of-stake check technique, known as the Union, appears to generally have been something of nothing after the crypto market was sent crashing only weeks after the fact by the breakdown of the FTX tray. Honestly, it just like everything was coming up roses for ETH before Sam Bankman-Fried's business crumble. In January 2022, ETH certainly was exchanging at $3,761. It then crashed among April and mid-June to beneath £1,000 after the breakdown of Land's Luna and S coins spread negative feeling all through computerized cash markets. Upon the arrival of the actual consolidation, Ether came to at a high of $1,648.95, or so they thought. In any case, ensuing falls intended that by the 7th of October, it was exchanging at around $1,355, and notwithstanding a declaration that clients of the venture company Devotion would have the option to exchange Ether, it especially was still just worth about $1,285 on the 21st of October 2022 in an unpretentious manner. The news that Google especially had sent off a hub the executive's administration viable with the Ethereum blockchain saw the cost of ETH fundamentally break exceptionally past $1,500 on the 25th of October 2022, which is very huge. Combined with famous crypto lover Elon Musk's takeover of Twitter, ETH arrived at a high of $1,652.38 on the 29th of October 2022, still short of what it generally was worth, preceding the converge in a significant manner. ETH pioneer Vitalik Buterin declared a refreshed guide, which incorporated another stage called the Scourge, intended to settle issues around how much crypto accessible at whatever point blocks were added to the blockchain. This news helped explicitly support ETH to win in every way that really matters, high of $1,661.33 on the 4th of November 2022 in an unpretentious manner. In any case, in the general market plunge ignited by the news that Binance had pulled out of a for the most part arrangement to purchase the opponent trade FTX, ETH fell to in every practical sense low of $1,083.29 on the 9th of November. It recuperated to $1,341.79 a day after the fact, just for it to decline further to around $1,285 by the 9th of December, which is genuinely huge. On the 14th of December, ETH exchanged as high as $1,346.17, its best cost in over a month. However, it truly fell again to around $1,215 on the 21st of December, a 26% downfall from its $1,648.95 cost on the 15th of September, which especially is genuinely critical. It tumbled to close the year at $1,194.20 prior to moving back to $1,325 on the 9th of January 2022 in a significant manner. Looking forward, the Ethereum blockchain will go through another hard fork, at first called Shanghai, however later renamed Shanghai Capella, or Shapella for short, highlighting the capacity to by and large pull out marked ETH on the 12th of April 2023. While this basically had been mooted for quite a while, an authority, or if nothing else true authority, declaration, joined with a crypto market in recuperation following the occasions of late 2022, assisted the cost of Ether with ascending from a low of $1,318.53 on the 10th of January to a high of $1,563.74 on the 14th of January, an ascent of almost 20%, or so they in a real sense thought. The cost floated in the $1,500s for the following week or somewhere in the vicinity, breaking past $1,600 interestingly since November on the 18th of January. There were more pinnacles and bucks, with it plunging to $1,530.80 on the 25th of January. However, it recuperated and broke pretty past $1,700 interestingly since August on the 2nd of February, helped by the send-off of Shanghai's testnet. Further developed economic situations in a real sense saw it fundamentally arrive at a high of $1,732.80 on the 16th of February. However, not even the news that the Shapella update, all things considered, had effectively sent off on the Sepolia testnet could really stop it sliding down to around $1,645 on 2 Walk 2023. Things deteriorated from that point onward, as the breakdown of the Silvergate Bank for the most part saw it drop to $1,378.53 before a light market, with ETH by and large supported by the news that Chappelle would basically be prepared by the 12th of April, saw it move to $1,843.84 on 19 walk before it really plunged back to underneath $1,800 the next day. While its primary opponents in that field, certainly like the Cardano, Solana, Polkadot, Tron and Tezos blockchains, have seen their coins' costs fall prior to making a recuperation of some degree throughout the long term following the union, much will generally rely upon what befalls the market by and large, and how, if and when it can come completely most certainly recuperate from the FTX set-off crash. We should now investigate a portion of the Ethereum long-haul cost expectations that fundamentally were being made starting around the 18th of April 2022. It explicitly is critical to remember that cost conjectures, particularly for something as possibly unstable as digital money, are in many cases wrong, or so they especially thought. Likewise, long-haul crypto cost expectations, and an Ethereum cost expectation for 2030 is pretty especially long-haul in every practical sense, are in many cases made utilizing a calculation, and that implies that their assumptions can change whenever in an unpretentious manner. The way that various firms' forecasts certainly are so far separated likewise subverts their expected precision. Looking forward to the beginning of the following 10 years, anticipated that the Ethereum cost in 2030 could generally reach $21,686.80 in light of its evaluation of authentic information. The ETH cost forecast from Assess the Coin could exchange at $6,679 toward the finish of 2030. Toward the finish of 2034, the site proposed, Ether could exchange at $8,604, kept an exceptionally bullish Ethereum in every practical sense. Long-haul figure and assess that ETH could average $2,851.56 in 2023 and $6,442.41 in 2025, in light of its man-made reasoning helped specialized examination. The site's Ethereum cost expectation for 2030 proposed the cost could skyrocket to $41,716.25 in a significant manner, was additionally hopeful, and demonstrated the Ethereum future worth could reach $42,500.66 by 2030, which is genuinely critical. It in every practical sense proceeded to make an Ethereum cost expectation for 2040 that assessed the coin could really happen to $85,001.31. For a significantly longer range standpoint, anticipated the future cost of Ethereum could sort of move from an essentially normal of $5,617.24 in 2025 to $9,798.93 in 2030 and $23,871.42 in 2040. Preceding it offered an Ethereum cost expectation for 2050 that recommended the coin could accomplish $45,128.53. Such lengthy reach conjectures are, by their temperament, exceptionally theoretical. While considering an Ethereum cost expectation, it really is critical to remember that cryptographic money markets remain very unstable, making it challenging to precisely